or draw a line on a boundary of the veil. So shape will be very perfect. So that is the difference, benefit and drawback of each data set. Similarly, when you go into the GIS analysis part, so raster data will give you a better edge. It will be fast in case of the GIS analysis compared to the vector data. So both the data have their advantage and disadvantage both. So in this exercise, what we will do, we will use the data set which you have downloaded, satellite data, and we'll play with that satellite data. So first what we will do, we'll see the individual band. We'll load the individual band in the QGIS and then we'll play with it. Okay. Then what we will do, we'll take multiple bands like say BGR, blue, green, red, or infrared, whichever choice you want to take, you can take the bands and will assign different colors to it, like blue color, say for band number 3, green color band number 4, and red color band number 5. So we'll assign these colors and make a composite image. So these two exercise we can do now in the raster data set. Similarly, we'll also see the vector data, how to load and how to visualize, how to change the colors of the lines or polygons or polygon, how to see the attributes. So this part we'll do with the vector data. So let us start. So I hope everyone is having your exercise number 8. The exercise is what, data visualization and generation of color composite. So this is the exercise here. So first part, you have downloaded the raster dataset. Same image we can use, or if you have any satellite data lying in your system, you can use that also. We are not going to modify anything in the raster data. So we'll use that data and we'll just check its visualization. Okay. Similarly, for vector data, now we know from where we can get the raster or satellite database. Similarly, there are few websites from where you can directly download the your vector data sets. Okay, so one of the website given in your tutorial is gadm.org. So that website is there. From there you can download the data. Maybe you can download the administrative boundaries and you can use that data for the visualization. So let us go step by step. So I will just give a very quick demo, not detail. Detail you can work out later on. But in order to make the process little faster, so I'll putting this demo quick just for 2 minutes. So you have QGIS installed on your software. Can you confirm my screen is visible?
Visible, sir.
Okay. So here now you have almost 8-9 bands which you have downloaded and then extracted to some other folder. So take the extracted folder. Okay. So not the zip will not work here. So what you will do, you will add layer first. Just I will show the first step. So I'll go to the this layer, add layer, sorry, and then you have to select type of layer. So this is the step. Every time when you are adding the layer, you will follow until and unless you use the other shortcuts. So what you are going to add, you are going to add the raster layer. Okay. So here the options are, you can add vector layer, you can add raster layer, you can add mesh. So there are many options, but right now you are taking the raster layer. So you want to add the raster layer. So This dialog box will open to add the raster here. Same dialog box you will be having for vector, mesh, everything. So here I'll select raster. By default it was raster only because I have selected raster here. Okay, then I have to define the path. Okay, so I will define the path. I don't know, I have data, geomorphology, it is not satellite data. Anyway, I hope it is satellite data only. So randomly I have chosen this image and I am adding this one in the QGIS. Okay, once you selected the path, you are not supposed to do anything else. Just click on the add. Okay, this is not available. Let me take another one. Might be somewhere here. No course, no exercise. Yeah, hopefully this is also Landsat data. So these are the different bands. Maybe I might have downloaded for some other purpose, B2, B3. So you take any one, select just single band and open it. Let it be as it is and add. Okay. So this is the single band image which I have added here. Now I can see some features, but just I want to make it little more comfortable to my eyes. So I will go here. I can say its properties and symbology. So then you can play here with this. Right now I am using one band. Here, if I want to see this in some color, so I can select here. These are the options where you have to play with these options. Okay. So once you change here, color, brightness, there are many symbology which you can play here and you can make a good visible image for you. Okay. So I'll not say apply, let it be as it is. I hope it is clear what you are supposed to do. So everyone please add one layer, either which you have downloaded in the morning or any satellite data, add just single band in this exercise, and then next part will add three bands and then we'll assign the color. Okay, everyone is able to add the layer single band.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. You play with the symbology so that you will feel the difference you are getting uh, and how the features are segregated, separated to map. See, for example, if you are targeting some feature here, you can just go to symbology like this. Hope my screen is visible. Okay, it's a symbology. Then now if I am targeting, say I want to see these water bodies, now I can see two type of the dark patches here. One is very dark and another is light dark. So I can just try the symbology and see if I can differentiate it. Like I will take this paletted unique values, and single band gray is by default. So I will select some color ramp, maybe red. I can select and can see. I'll keep it, I will not change anything. I'll keep it by default. In fact, you can further play, but right now I will just classify this as it is and apply. Now, instead of seeing this in gray, I want to see in different, though it is single band, but I can see in different red color. Now I can easily map the those areas where they were very dark, and I can easily separate areas where they were light gray color. Okay, so here just I change the color, and I know these are the water bodies, maybe you can say reservoirs, and these are the feeding rivers to them. So I can easily map the reservoir. So you can again make it better. You can change this color ramp just by changing the color ramp also. You can change its visibility. Again, I will classify and apply. So here on the blue and white, it is giving more precise visualization for me. If I zoom it, see I can very precisely map using only single band also. ज़्यादा zoom कर दो. Yeah. So this is the benefit of visualization. I can easily map. So please try the options there, and try to see how you can visualize the image differently. Okay, this is single band, please remember. After that we'll see the multiple bands also. So maybe we'll spend some more time on this by the time you make yourself comfortable with playing the image.
Sir, I have done it. I just want to know some basic difference between these.
Akshita, can you speak little louder?
Sir, I have tried all these layers in my band, but I want to understand what's the difference between two, three layers and.
Yeah, the difference that we are going to do in the next after this single band exercise, will be having multiple band visualization also. The
Hmm.
difference is right now you have only one band. You have only one band. For example, if you have selected say a red band or blue band or green band or infrared band, that is only one band.
No,
Okay.
sir, I understand that, but if, for example, when we are choosing the properties for changing this, one of the option is contour, uh, and I can also derive contour from this, but usually we use DEM for making contours.
Sorry, you cannot make contours out of this. Contour, for making contour, always you require jade. this if you have z in this x, y, and z, you require all three. Then only you can derive the contours. But from this data, you cannot get contour information.
Okay, they are just because when I changed the settings, there was some contours coming up. That's why I've asked.
Or which day? I mean, if there is a elevation layer in this, I mean, the band, if you have the elevation information band with this, then you can get the contour, slope, DM, everything. But the basically you require the Z, I mean elevation or height information. If it is there, then you can get it.
Okay.
Now, if you do this exercise, then you will think yesterday's exercise was very easy. As you progress, then you have good command on the software QGIS, so you can do the things very easily. These things where while first time doing exercise you feel it is little difficult, it is giving error, it is working, it is not working, but as you go along with the software, then you will become more and more comfortable. It requires only practice. Yeah, we'll spend few more minutes and then we'll move. I believe this is completed. Single band visualization.
Yes, sir.
If anyone is unable to do this visualization, let me know. Everyone is okay? Adding the layer and then changing its symbology, or anyone is facing any difficulty, please let me know. You are done with this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you are done with this, so who will give the quick demo again once again?
I just wanted to ask one thing. We can only change like single color or we can use like multiple colors also.
Yeah, you can give multiple colors because when you classify below, because right now hopefully you are using the RAM, simple
Yeah.
single color and its variation.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you break down this one instead of RAM, so you can give multiple colors that we can see in the next session.
Okay.
You can always classify. In fact, you can group this whole image into 5 colors or 10 colors, depending on its DN values. Each pixel values you can group first these pixel values into 10 groups, and each group you can assign color. That can be done.
Okay.
Okay, you want demo or shall we move to the next one? Let me know if anyone is struggling on any silly point. Don't hesitate to bring it up. So if you struggle anywhere, we can discuss. We can see where you are going wrong, or if you are not getting the desired output. That also we can discuss. If we have right data, we can do lot of the things. If we don't have the right data, if we put the garbage as a input, we will get garbage as output. If we have the meaningful data, we can do lot of things. Just I want to ensure you are picking up the right thing which are there in the tutorial. If yes, we can move to the next section. That is, we will use multiple bands.
You want us to share like our screen for the demo?
Yeah, one of you can share so that everyone will be benefited out of that.
I just use the like um bright color. So I'm checking the hill shade section. So yeah, I just use this green color just because of vegetation. Want me to go to single band.
You have JD information in this band, elevation information you have, right?
Yeah, this is the basic one that we have started with.
Hmm.
Then I was like checking other options. So I can present this data. So I choose the hill shade and
Okay,
single color for now. Yeah,
this is your original image.
yeah. I just change the color.
Hmm. It will change only color, nothing else. Your data will remain as it is.
Mm,
It will give just you the visual information.
mm. It's a blue. We can go with blue. This is how it looks in different color in blue.
Go again in the symbology. Uh, Change the rendering type.
Which one you want me to open?
Unique values. Unique values. Second one. Now classify. So, and these are your individual pixels. Uh, these are the values by default it has classified, but you can again group. You just apply it. You want
I
to see the
can. Okay.
multiple color this one, no?
Oh, this shows this.
Yeah. If you anyway, we'll see that in the upcoming this one. We can always group and we can see in 5, 10 colors, because if you zoom it, you will get the feel of individual color. Zoom little bit somewhere.
So,
Because these are the individual pixels, data is big, so you will get the different colors. But
okay.
you will not appreciate here in single band. We can do in multi-band image.
Mm-mm.
Okay, everyone is okay with this visualization of single band. Now, in the same way, you can unshare this. In the same way, now what we will do, we'll load any 3 bands. Okay, and then please assign three different colors to three bands. It's a multicolor image and then visualize it. First do this, then we can have true color or we can have false color composite later on.
So we need to layer it or just need to change color in this only.
We'll just change color. Here in this exercise, we'll create a color composite. Then the layers tagging and that part will be covered in somewhere exercise, some another exercise.
So is my screen visible?
Yes, yes.
So I have added
Wait,
first
wait,
band.
wait, wait, wait. You delete all the layers.
Please
You delete all the layers. Delete it from the list. Yeah, good. This is for the benefit of everyone. Yeah. Now you will speak and you will
add yours.
do the activity simultaneously so that
So
if anyone is stucking in between, he will get benefited out of it.
okay, sir. So basically, if you want to add, open data source manager, go to raster. From there, raster, select the source area in which whatever folder you have extracted the layers, you can see the layer number B3, B4. So I am selecting it using CURT and V2. I have selected 4 layers for this and added it directly. So I have B1, B2, B3, B4.
Yeah, go ahead. Don't unshare.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So from this, I am going to make a multi-composite multi-color band. In this, I have selected red band for band 1. Band 2, I am unable to select other bands in this. So I have done it, but I am unable to select all the three composite and overlay these three.
See, Akshita, this what you did for three bands,
Yes, sir.
what you did for earlier single band,
Mm.
is it same? It's not difference.
Mm.
You cannot see all three bands together.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So something is missing.
Mm.
That's why I just want to have a demo.
Mm.
Uh, don't feel any odd or something, but something is missing, and we want to learn that. So
Yes.
anyone has pointed out what which step is missing in this?
Hmm, I think we need to select this uh, all three bands together. Or
Yeah, all three bands should come. in single symbology dialog box.
Hmm.
Correct?
Yes.
So which step is missing? Because of that it is not coming up. I'm not going to tell you that step. I can give just clue. Something is missing.
Akshita, can you like click on yours again? How you are selecting?
I have selected from properties and I have selected metal band, but never to certain this.
You need to choose the second option for every color. Try it.
I have done that. Okay.
All together. You need to select it all together. Use the last slide, that is showing the color black and gray. You can select that and work on it. Yeah.
No.
Double click. Uh, now, yeah, the second option. Second option. For the third color also select the
But this is band.
apply, apply, and yeah, yeah. There you go. We have the all three colors.
But this is for band and I need to complete the process.
You wanted to do it for each one.
No, I want to make a comparison of all three floors.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Basically, I want to make a composite band of three floors which I can overlap with. Because this is not much image.
This looks like okay. Which which option you selected?
Sorry, of all
सर आप एक बार दोबारा रिपीट कर सकते हो आपने जो बोला था क्योंकि आवाज डबल हो रही थी उस टाइम पे
Just give me a moment. I'll come back. Yeah, sorry, I took one phone call. Uh, so what we are supposed to do, we are loading different bands in the viewer. Okay, so each band is having unique color, or maybe you can say grace color. By default it gives gray color. So we want to view all three bands together with different color. So each band will be having different color, and all three bands we can see the composite color. Correct. So that was the uh, thing we are supposed to do. Anyone got what is the missing? No one.
No, sir.
Okay, so I'll just give a clue. The something is missing on rendering part. Okay. So in a single symbology window, you will define band 1, choose the color which you want. Band 2, say red color. Band 3, say blue color. That's it. And apply. It will work. It is inside symbology only, but not you are not supposed to assign color by going into the individual band symbology. Okay, so you have to first select which three bands you are going to use and then assign the color. That's it. Okay, try it quickly.
Sir, can you please show your screen? As we
Huh?
are not, can you please show on the software as we are not unable to understand from.
Yeah, definitely I will show, but I want you guys to struggle little bit. तभी तो मजा आएगा और अब you will never forget. I told something is missing on the rendering part. You have to select the band in a single symbology window. First you have to select the layer, say layer, for example layer B1. Then you have to assign color to it. Then select the second band. You have to select the layer which is your second layer. Then you have to assign different color to it. Then you have to select the third band. So band here is your layer only. So that file which is there loaded on your QGIS, so you have to assign the color and say apply. Automatically it will display all three bands together in a single way. Try it one more time.
So render type will be single color or
Yeah,
unique values.
I have given you the clue. Something is missing on rendering part. So you hit and try, or you put your logic what rendering type you should select, so that you will get these things. If you select, see, if you select single color, it will show in single color.
You means multiple band color.
Correct, correct. So you try on yourself, and let us again
So
we'll have demo.
you wanted us to apply, like they have given three main colors, red, green, and blue. So you wanted us to apply all these three colors in one picture.
Yeah, you have to apply these colors to individual band in a single symbology so that it will display. Try
Akshita,
it,
you are
you
not
will get it.
audible.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So if we apply like three colors together, this is what we got that Akshita is showing.
Yeah, that's why I was asking, is it the right this one?
Yeah, we are getting
But
this picture
yeah,
only.
but let us try everyone.
So for me, the colors vary.
Yeah,
Um,
for everyone, no, for everyone color will vary. That depends which bands you are selecting and which color you are giving. No problem, but we just we want to see all three colors together.
So for me, this is the color that I got after using all three bands. And if I choose the single band colors, this is what I got.
Correct. So you got multiple image.
Yeah,
Open that one.
the all three bands, right?
Yeah, multicolor image. Ah, okay. Let everyone do this one, and we can have final demo and close. No one is ready for demo.
Sir, a demo?
Yes.
Okay, sir. From the start,
Yeah, you just add three layers and change its symbology.
all right. So I add layer, add raster layer. So this is for band 4. This is for band 7 and at another layer. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, Ritvik, you are.
I think I'm done, sir.
Sorry, microphone was muted. No, rest of the students, you also did same way or you used some different method?
Similar way, sir.
Same way you
Same
did?
way you did?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the multiple band, yes, we did the same thing.
Okay, I'm
Okay,
sharing.
I'm sharing.
Add raster layer. Just check you followed the same way or uh, multiband coloring type. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you got this one. Uh, what you say? The color composite
Yes, sir.
band one.
And one.
No.
No.
There is one more option. Let me check it. I will check and I will demonstrate again. It should come here only. One not set. Okay, let me check the option. There is one option here where you can assign in a single window. Okay, you please move on to the next. I will demonstrate this again. There is an option. I don't know why it is not there, where you can have all three bands together and you can assign color for these three layers. Okay, I'll demonstrate this again. So do you have any vector on your system, vector data for any exercise you might have used vector?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, Akshata.
Yes, sir. I have seen creation file.
Okay, everyone is having vector.
No, sir.
Okay, those who are having vector data, you can use that. And if you do not have vector data, then there is a link. You can download any of the administrative library something, and you can play with each symbol.
Sir, can you type? Actually, your voice is echoing.
Oh, lot of echo I could. Can you repeat again?
she wanted you to type it. What are you saying? Because she is having echo.
Repeat it
Repeat
again.
it again. Your voice is breaking or echoing for Akshata.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
me
for me
also,
also,
the voice
the
is
voice
echoing
is
a lot.
echoing a lot.
Everything is
Everything is
repeated.
repeated.
Maybe
Maybe
someone's microphone is.
microphone is.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
I think
I think
unable to
unable to
understand.
understand.
Can you type
Can you
something?
type
Yeah,
something?
you
Yeah,
please
you please
everyone
everyone
mute
mute
yourself.
yourself.
Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I was just checking. Do you have any vector layer with you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is having, na? If anyone is not having, you can download. Link is there in your tutorial on the I think first page or second page. You can take this and download if you don't have vector layer. If you have vector layer, then you play with the vector data as per the manual. So hope vector symbology is working for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
I ask
I
you,
ask you,
please
please
unmute.
unmute.
Okay. Yeah, fine. So I was suggesting you that we want to see a band composite having the three bands, all colors merged together, and we want to see the features with three colors. Okay. So I hope during our high school time we used to have a course. It was there at my time, and I am sure it should be there at your time also. That course was like uh, drawing course where our teacher used to teach us mixing two or more colors to get the another color. Hope you remember, right? He is asking mix red and green color. So which color it will give? Red and yellow, which color it will give? Two or three color combinations. So same thing we are doing here. I just want to relate you to the point where we everyone already know this. If we mix more than one color together, it will give the different color. So same thing we are doing here. That option which I was suggesting you is not there on the symbology dialog box, but we can do it another way also. See, in any GIS software or any software, say for example MS Word or PowerPoint or any software, there are multiple ways to do the same thing. Okay. For example, you can copy and paste a text using copy icon and paste icon. You can use shortcut keys. There are multiple ways of doing the things. Similarly, here also in GIS, there are multiple ways of doing the things. You can have multiple shortcuts also. Okay, so uh, we will see all three bands together using QGIS. Hope my window is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Correct.
So
So
let me remove this. How many layers? One, two, and three layers are there. So in these three layers, what you were trying, and I spent a lot of time uh, to explore this. So you spend almost half an hour, but we want to learn, so we are spending the time. So these are the individual bands and these are the colors. Okay, but I can see individually. This is red color, I can see individually. Similarly, green color I can see individually, and blue color also I can see individually. But I cannot see all colors together, right? Some exercise was done, there was some visibility is coming of two colors, but that was not also to the expectation. So now you have three bands, no matter what color it is having. I just gave this coding to our understanding. So after that, what we will do, we'll go to the raster here, and you come to here miscellaneous and build virtual raster. So we are building a virtual raster. Virtual means it will not save, just it will be on the screen only. In this built virtual raster dialog box, what we'll do, we'll give these three inputs. Okay, select all three, these three bands only I have selected, and say OK. So now all three bands, three inputs selected. Three inputs means these three layers which are there in our layer panel. These inputs were selected. Okay, so once you have selected this inputs, so rest of the options you can do as per your wish, whatever you want. So I'll say place each band into file of separate band. Okay, so and I will just say run. Quickly it will run. Process completed. Now you see the output. Let me zoom little bit. Hope you can notice different colors.
Yes, sir.
This is your band 1. This is your band 1. Below you can see the original email band 1, band 2 and band 3. Correct? So what we did, we just add these bands and create a virtual raster where you are getting combination of all three colors together. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is not in your tutorial, but just out of the please mute, please mute. Someone is unmuted. Okay, I just want to give little trace to your brain, so that these color composites are very important if you work on the remote sensing data. So nothing goes without doing color composite. At least for if you are working on the visual image interpretation options, so composites are very important. So now one more thing on the color composites, you can develop the natural color like this. When the reflected light is captured by the sensor, it will be only grayscale. In fact, it's not gray scale also, it's these are just values, numbers you can get. We called it as a DN number. So that number doesn't tell you any color. They are just numbers. But until and unless we put this into the colors which our eyes recognize, we will not able to recognize any feature on the ground, except few you can recognize because like water. Again, if you want to see the depth of the water or turbidity and all, so you require the right color combinations. So that was the part of color composite. So you know how to give color to a single band and multiple band. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now let us work on the vector part. Anyone is done with vector symbology? So I hope everyone is able to add the vector layer. Same way,
Same way,
the
the
steps are
steps
same.
are same.
So anyone is able to classify the vector? I mean, classify means giving different colors to your different features. Say,
Yes,
for
sir.
example, you have, I don't know which layers you are using. Maybe I'm just taking an example. For example, you have road layer. So in the road layer, say national highways should have different color, state highways should have different color, then the another road should have different color. Are you able to visualize your whatever layer you have in a different color?
Yes, sir, I have done it.
Yes, Akshita. Yeah, you gave praise to everyone's brain, huh?
Yes, sir.
No worries. That is the way of learning. See, in any software, not only GIS related, any software, until and unless you put stress on your brain and you explore the options, you will never learn. Yeah, Akshita, you got the symbology, different colors.
Yes, sir.
Can you again share your screen and demonstrate everyone so that it
Yes,
will
sir.
be beneficial?
Sir, basically from this data source management, I have selected the vector this time. I have roads shapefile or railways shapefile of Delhi. I have selected road shapefile, then added it. This is basically OSM data, so it has a lot of categories.
Hmm.
I have to select it on the basis of reference.
Basis value you have taken. Okay.
So there are national highways and MDRs. This is the OSM data, so I will choose instead type, and in this I know that primary are and then secondary, so I have unselected all the other roads.
Okay, rest you don't want to keep. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir, because these are very small layers,
Okay, okay.
so my data won't look good. And from primary, I have also changed the color for primary. I have selected road type, and in this I have selected this 0.08 to 0.8 for this. For secondary, as it is second level, I have changed it to 0.6 and again selected road black color.
Just hold on this window. for the interest of everyone. You just come again, click on that one. Don't say okay, just click, just I want to show something. Yeah. So now she is having road layers. She is taking a particular symbol and giving different colors. If you have, say for example, you want to say the road layer, you want to say the railway line, you want to say the streams together. So all the line features are there in a single layer. So you can use the different type of symbols. Just can you just scroll this symbol little up?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Up.
Favorites की जगह also.
Yeah, just I want to show you. You have different symbol, like you have symbols for
Rail-
railways
Yeah,
or railway lines. You have
these are
symbol for
railway, road, steps,
electricity.
and curve
Yeah.
wavy water.
So logical symbol you can select. You can select color. You can select thickness. How big you want to show on the map. Okay, so logically you can put the things, not only the fancy part. Logically, for example, your national highways, like she was rightly changing the width. Okay, Akshita was rightly changing the widths, because national highways generally we show in a bigger width, state highway little less than that, and the other roads you can just show the line. So it will be more visible to the who are your customers or audience. Okay, yeah, please go ahead, Akshita.
Okay, sir. Then tertiary is my smallest, so I have selected two and black color for this one also. Then I have applied it. Okay. So my roads are like this. Below I have applied OSM map for better understanding.
Yeah, because this is densely populated urban area, so there
Yeah.
will be lot of roads.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
So
I have also added water layer similarly and the railway lines.
yeah, separately you have added.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Also, you can open attribute table in this to see the features that are there. What road is what?
Yeah, and you can put, say, you mean attribute to every road also.
Yes, sir. If there is some missing roads that I want to add, I can add also. I just selected this and click on the edit option. In this, I select this to make a road. Right click it, it will save and open the attribute tables. I can edit it to three name, type, ref ID, person, type. So my road is made. This, if I want to delete it, I can use selection icon and select this and delete it directly by using delete.
Yeah, you can edit also vector data creation. I think we have another exercise.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So basically, we can display with different symbology. You can display its attribute also, attribute for each feature. Now this is line feature. You might be having some polygon or point also, but the similar way you can use it. If you have so many features in your map, then you can group also. In fact, you can classify also these features based on certain criteria, and then each category you can give the some symbol, color, whatever you want, you can do with that particular groups. Okay. So everyone is okay with the vector? Anyone is having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, only thing you have to play little bit, so you can manage on your own also. Once you are comfortable, you know where are the option to do what, you can easily manage it. Okay, fine. If you are okay with this, then we can move to the next section and we'll try to create the subsets. Subset means you are taking out a small portion of the data from the bigger database or bigger data set. So this subset you can create for vector and raster both, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for this you can use any data which you have and try subset for 10 minutes. Then again we can discuss and understand. See, before doing any activity, you should understand your targeted output. That is very essential. Otherwise, uh, you will be moving round and round and you will not get the right output what you are expecting. Now, for this exercise, what you are going to do, you are going to create a small image out of the big image. You want to make a subset. Now you should think logically how the software can make a subset. See, data you are having is a raster, that is grid data. Okay. So what software will require for this? Software will require some boundary. Then only it will understand what he has software has to subtract. So first of all, you have to give the coordinates. Okay, there are few ways you can do the subset. You can define your coordinates, or you can put a polygon. Based on that, it will cut. Basically, it is cutting the main image. Actually, it is not cutting. You can see it is copying the some part of main image and giving you output as a new image of your defined area. So what you are going to do, you are going to define the area. So once you put a polygon, software will take extreme left and extreme right. Okay, so these coordinates it has to take, and based on that, it will export the pixel values and its coordinates to another file. That's what software will do for you. So select an area. Now here you can use single band, you can use, I mean, multiple bands, whatever the fashion, the action is going to happen same by the software. So take a image, define your area, and make a subset. Okay, once someone is ready, we can demonstrate. Anyway, steps are given in your tutorial. You can refer that and make a subset. To know software which area you want to extract. Okay, so let me give a very broad overview. Let me share my screen and the QGIS window. Okay, so as I told you, required some boundaries to extract. So this boundary I have created. Okay, it's a simply save file. Still it is in editing mode. Anyway, so this is the boundary which I have created a polygon. I want to know software that this area need to be cut. So this is this subset file here. This I want to cut. Okay, so the option is you will go into the raster. There are multiple ways as I told you, but for this purpose you can go to the extraction and you select these are the options. In fact, this will also work, but I'm taking click raster by extent. Okay, so this option I have taken. So first of all, you have to give this input layer, whatever layer you want to use as a clip. Input layer is the layer where that layer you want to subset. Okay, so this layer you have to give. Then the clipping extent, you have to give the clipping extent. So these are the options. So you can give the I'm giving this subset which I have created to subset. Okay, so you just give this, check, validate, it will show it's valid. So you have not made any error, and just click run. So in no time it will click and it will give you the area. So this is what it has clipped. This was my polygon I have created, and I want to area. uh, this is the area. So this has clipped the area. Okay, so this you have to do little developing your own understanding and do little systematic. Okay, so we'll spend some 10 minutes on this. Everyone please try subsetting your image, so that in future if you want to take a subset or small part of a bigger data, you can do it very easily.
Sunil, I think this exercise is done. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, are
Yeah,
you
are
okay with
you
subset?
set?
Yes, sir.
I think
I
only
think
you
only
two
you
are
two
there.
are there.
Yeah.
So,
So,
i-
is
subset work
subset
for
work
you or
for you
not?
or not?
Yeah, it will work for me. You want to see?
Mhm.
Okay, let me like share my screen.
Yes.
Yes.
I did this. I don't know how correct I am, but yeah, this is the section I have.
So you
So
did
you
using
did using
polygon.
polygon.
Not polygon, but I went to this raster extension and I clip it from here. So I
Oh,
directly
so, so in
drew
So
out.
in
what you
what
use?
you use?
Okay, okay,
Okay,
you
okay,
draw
you
this
draw
one.
this.
Yeah,
Got it.
and then I just run it, change the parameter and run and close. So I think just close this one. Something is downloaded, but I don't know where it is.
No,
So
No,
last
might
time,
be.
yeah, last time I downloaded this one. Uh,
there are three
There are
layers.
three layers.
You switch off
You
one
switch
by
off
one.
one by one.
this
This is your
This is
last
your
time.
last time.
this one is my last time that I have
Okay.
used.
Okay.
You
You
click one more
click
time.
one more time now.
I think this time it didn't work. But yeah, I have used that method
So
and
better
So
no,
better no.
better you
Better you
prepare a
prepare
polygon.
polygon.
I didn't find the polygon thing. Where did
Yeah,
I get
you
it?
go into the
Go into
layer
the layer.
and add new
Add
layer,
new layer.
Okay.
create layer,
Create layer. Create
create on top of that.
on top of that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
create
Create
shapefile,
shape file.
new shapefile.
New shape file.
Yeah, you
You
can define
can
your
define
name
your
and
name,
path
path,
and type.
and
Okay,
type.
here I can write my file
Yeah,
name or something like that. Or I can like directly add it from here.
save somewhere.
Save somewhere. You
Wait, I have used from here. Where is it? Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
yeah.
So here
So
what you
here
will
what
do,
you can do,
you will use
you will use
your
your
image as a
image as
input,
a input,
Hmm.
polygon layer
polygon
as
layer
your
as your
subset,
subset,
and
Mm-hmm.
and
you have to
you have to
define
define
the
the
attribute field
attribute
you have
field you
given
have given
and run
Okay.
it.
and run it
It will work perfectly.
perfectly.
Okay.
Yeah, I
And
Yeah,
think
I
it's
think
okay.
it
Good
is
to stop
good to
here.
stop here.
you also have to share like exercise 9, 10, and 18 because we are like working on the morning one. So for the evening session, you have to share other three exercises too. Or we'll
Uh,
start with it
upcoming
like next
Upcoming
week.
exercises you are
exercises
saying?
you are saying.
Exercise 9. georeferencing, exercise 10, digitization, and exercise 18, creation of polygon vector data.
Okay. That is for upcoming week. No.
It is for today only in the evening session, but we are like working on the exercise 8 till now.
Yeah. I'll put in the same folder.
Or you can like share it next week so that everyone can get it.
Yes. No. I'm going to cover that.
Okay.
Don't worry for that because I don't want to make a hurry.
Mhm.
So we'll cover
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Anyway, I'm going to put in the same folder and we'll cover that part.
Okay.
Yeah, because georeferencing is also very important.
Hmm.
Like image downloading, visualization is important. That is also important. I am going to put a lot of time on georeferencing, digitization. That's why I am
Okay.
not taking. We'll cover, don't worry.
Okay, we'll practice these things
Yes.
till then.
Okay, then.
Okay,
Okay,
bye-bye.
bye bye. See you next week.
Okay, thank you so much.